Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect across time and space. If you're having a hard day, being hard on yourself, being critical of your situation, feeling annoyed, frustrated, insecure, lonely, depressed, or perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone, not on an island, but deeply interconnected to this thing called life. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. See if we can let go of some of our negativity. Come back to the joy of being alive. Getting in a comfortable position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, or perhaps even lying down, whatever you like. And I want you to visualize with closed eyes that there's a beam of light shooting up your spine, bringing with it a profound awareness. Dropping your shoulders as you go on, visualizing this beam of light shooting up your spine. Helping you to be conscious of this moment, unlike any other moment that's ever been before. Relaxing your hands and feet. Tuning into the ground beneath you, the chair, the couch, wherever you're sitting. Tuning into the stillness. Feeling your whole body coursing with aliveness as a beam of light shoots up your spine. Taking a deep breath in. And exhaling. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale, letting go of what happened earlier. Having forgiveness for any mistakes that have been made recently. Simply letting it go. As you breathe in with awareness. And exhaling with awareness. Breathing in trust. And exhale, letting go of fear. Breathing in strength. And exhale, letting go of worries. Breathing in grounded energy. And exhale, feeling more centered. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling. And exhale out. Jaw, relaxing the belly, opening your chest, feeling your heart. I want you to visualize that your heart has become pure light, like a warm, bright light in the center of your chest. Melting away any anger, any sadness. As you breathe in, and whole body breathing out. Breathing into the heart. And exhaling from the heart. Relaxing the face. You're safe to close the eyes, bringing all your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming yourself. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, letting go. Coming back into a compassionate state of mind. Having compassion for the immense suffering, for the immense pain that you may be feeling, that other people may be feeling. Having compassion for all of life. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling with a sigh. Relaxing all the muscles in your shoulders, relaxing the hands and feet as you bring a smile. Feeling the belly even more relaxed as you breathe in and breathe out and breathe in and breathe out. Inhaling with every cell in your body. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, letting go of all negativity. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body as you come back into trust in the unfolding of life. Having faith that you are where you're supposed to be, that life is unfolding as it should. You are already loved, already loving, already love itself. Tuning into that place inside you that is already loved, already loving, already love itself. Feeling this energy move through your whole body like a warm, loving, spacious awareness, spreading up the spine all the way to the top of the head, bringing with it a strong awareness, presence. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Allowing your mind to be free. Color for today is blue. The number is 202. And the animal is a dog. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of how you feel. Taking one more deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of creativity, of inspiration. To stay inspired, remember to breathe. Remember to inhale, remember to exhale. I know when I can get stressed that I can hold my breath and hold my body very tense. So sometimes it's just about focusing on exhaling, letting go. And that way we can take a full breath in and we can really bring inspiration through this breathing exercise. You may even notice that you come up with another idea, or perhaps you were going to do something, but then after you did the breath work, you might do something totally different. That's the beauty of the practice, that it can bring more awareness to our decision making, to how we move about in our day. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.